Temperatures yesterday, with all the cloud cover, a little onshore wind, kind of struggled, but we still made it back into the lower 70s for you yesterday afternoon, with areas inland in the mid 70s. And today's going to kind of follow suit, where cooler temperatures along the coast with warmer temps inland. First things first, got to get rid of the fog. And I do have visibilities down near zero in multiple spots. Bartow and Venice for that. That whole little stretch of Highway 17 is all fogged in from Polk County to Hardy County, DeSoto County. And notice even along the coast, quarter to half mile visibility, Sarasota, Bradenton, St. Petersburg, all the way up to Crystal River with a quarter mile visibility, in Brooksville with a half. So there's your dense fog advisory through 10 o'clock this morning. It includes everybody. And then once it lifts out, a mild afternoon will ensue, especially inland locations. When you get away from the influence of the water, because today we're still going to have a little light west wind, and with that may keep temperatures down a few degrees along the coast. Keep in mind, when you're bringing in a west wind, right, and the water temperatures are in the upper 50s, it's going to keep things cooler along the coast. But where it doesn't impact will be areas east of I-75, which are starting in the 50s, but eventually will end up in the mid to upper 70s. Temperatures, because of the clouds and the low clouds and fog this morning, we're running anywhere from 3 to 9 degrees warmer than we were yesterday at this time. I got a pesky little front, which is just going to kind of meander its way through the state, ever so slowly slipping southward. So after the fog lifts out this afternoon, there could be 1 or 2 very spotty showers. Now, our rain chances are really only around 20%. This is one of those deals where if you get one today, good for you, because most of us won't. And notice, even with our future cast, and the computer models aren't painting a lot in the way of shower activity, as that front just continues to just weaken and fall apart. In general, tomorrow morning, we're going to have a little bit more fog as well. And I think tomorrow afternoon should be a great day. What a great to go into the weekend as well, with high temperatures tomorrow and Saturday for that matter. Well, tomorrow mid 70s and a lot of upper 70s to near 80 for Saturday and for Sunday. Now, we keep fine tuning what's going to happen on Sunday. And I think for the most part, Sunday is going to be a nice day. Okay, so this low pressure system, associated cold front, all pushing across the southeast this weekend, going to come through here Sunday night. Now, the good news is we get the Daytona 500 off without any significant weather, because once this does move in, it's going to be a bunch of heavy rain Sunday night and early on Monday morning. And then behind this front, you think, oh no, it's going to get cold again. It's not. There's no cold air behind this front. In fact, it just gets warmer again next week as well. So we've shaken out the cold, to be honest, and now it's just going to be 70s for the next 7 days. Some lower 70s, some upper 70s, but we will stay in the 70s. Mild, maybe a 20% chance of that quick shower today, with a high of 73 degrees. Tonight, we're going to drop it down to 59. Don't be surprised to deal with some fog first thing Friday morning, which will burn off mid-morning, then 74 for your Friday afternoon high temperature. I do have a smooth conditions on the coastal waters with that west wind at only 5 knots for you, but those water temperatures, wow. So mid 70s tomorrow, then in a couple of days in the upper 70s to near 80 for Saturday and Sunday.